Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Epic Games error LS-0003 or the install field could not create directory error on your PC. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So this error typically appears when you are trying to update or install a game. So to resolve this issue, just clear your Epic Games Launcher web cache. So to do that, here are the steps. So first, just exit the Epic Games Launcher by right-clicking the system tray icon in the bottom right corner, and then just click the exit. And after that, just press the window key plus the R on your keyboard, and then on the bar right there, just type in the percent local app data percent, and then just press enter to open a file explorer window. And next is to open the Epic Games Launcher folder, and then just open the saved folder and click the web cache folder, and then just delete it. And optional, this is an optional. So if there's also a folder that is called web cache 4147 or the web cache 4430, you can delete that as well. And then after that, just restart your computer and then relaunch the Epic Games Launcher as admin. And you can also try to update or install the game again. So that's it for this video. And remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.